Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn about VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a very powerful function in Microsoft Excel. It helps us to find a particular value among a particular data set. So let us suppose here that we have a data set like this. If you can see, herein there are different entries available. If I have to find out that what exactly name and score for this particular ID is. So I have to go either by Control F and try to find that, or I have to scroll one by one if this the list is very big. So to save our time and going through this cumbersome steps, we will use VLOOKUP. So let us understand how we will use VLOOKUP. To write a VLOOKUP formula, we will write VLOOKUP, then in the press tab, or you can use the full name. So here we can see that it asks for, there are three different input, four different inputs are required for this formula. First is lookup value. Lookup value means what value we wanted to look. So here this triple one is our lookup value. Then comma, then table array. So table array means the array from where we need to find this particular triple one value. So this is our table array. Please do remember here that we will start our table array from the lookup value. Like this ID is our value and I have to find it from here. So I will start from here. If it would have been here, then we will start from here only. Then use comma, then column index number. As this is my name, I have to find this name. So this name is basically in the second column. First column is the ID and second is the name column. Then I will put to one more point that I wanted to tell you here is VLOOKUP can't be used in the reverse direction. So if the ID is here, we can't find value from the back. It could be -1. It will be always a positive number. And the last, we need to provide input for if we wanted to pick exact match or approximate match. So in this case, we will find the exact match, that is false. Either you can write false or you can put 0 as a value. Now, after putting all these values in this formula, click OK. Now, I can see here that the ID belongs to Megan. If you see here that this triple one is belongs to Megan. Now, I will try to find the score as well. The easiest method is to scroll it down, copy and paste this formula. But this wouldn't happen because we have not put the references correctly, cell references correctly. So as I wanted to put this formula one cell below, so I have to fix the row here and then I have to make it constant. That is absolute cell reference. Then copy this and paste here. Now the final change, the score is in the third column. So we will make the final change by pressing F2, change this value from 2 to 3. Now we can see that triple one, the ID is for Megan the score is 76. So this is the most easiest way to find values from a very big data set. This was an example for just one cell, but it could be possible that I have 3 or 4 or 5 values from here. So going back one by one and copy and paste the data, it is better to use VLOOKUP. Now, the last point that I wanted to discuss here, that VLOOKUP always picks the first value in a data set. So I can see here that there are 2 different triple one is available, but this picks only Megan, not Riaz. So always do remember, whenever you are using VLOOKUP, always check that the lookup value should be unique here, or arrange the value accordingly so that it can pick from the first value only. Thank you for watching this video.